are the options to work with you next year?
So we have been working on refining our kind of knowledge product ecosystem and making sure that people can work with us at any level. So even if you just want to learn, there's free content. So we have the Tuesday e-zine that goes out. We have this podcast and the weekly show. We also have our blogs. We also have free webinars that we do every 1 or 2 months. And we also have free workshops and free downloads. So just go ahead and pick from those. Then we kind of step up the kind of engagement with us and the team. And we have the done for you, social media done for you product that is launching in early 2022. And if you need a template social media strategy, template policies, if you want a 365-day calendar of ideas, if you want social media graphic templates in Canva that you just need to change the fonts and the colors to your own brand, we've got those. And we've got other checklists like live video checklist, hashtag checklist, a social media audit guide, performance tracker in an Excel sheet. Sophie, you'll be very proud of me. It's an Excel sheet. And that is coming, and that's, I think, I'm going to go to market at about €300. So you can go and take that. It's in our membership, and you can go and take that, and that'll sort you out social media wise. Then we have our social media bootcamp. It's 5 live classes covering each of the core social networks. You get a strategy for each of the core social networks and also the tactics on what's working. And that is 3 hours each workshop, 5 consecutive weeks. And that's coming in at €600. If you buy them all together, if you buy them individually, it's €150. So you can pick and choose. Then we have our certificate in digital crisis comms. That's €750. I don't know why I'm telling you the prices. They're on the website, but it's just to show you that it goes up in kind of tiers. And then we have our membership. So you get to become a member of the Institute for a full year. You get 3 hours of live coaching every month, and you also get access to our library of resources, and you get to network with other public sector pros from across the world. And then we have our signature courses. The most popular one is the professional diploma in social media for government and public sector. Everybody loves that course. I love it too. And it'll be getting a facelift in the new year. That's €1,500. And also, when you buy one of the signature courses, the diploma in social media or the professional diploma in digital marketing, you automatically get that membership. So you automatically get into 3 live sessions a month and our library of resources. And then the highest tiered one in terms of the knowledge products is the professional diploma in digital marketing for government and public sector. And that's €2,500. And that's all about developing your critical thinking, being able to lead a team on digital strategy, and then you've got a team actually implementing. And then after that, you get to work with me one-on-one. If you don't want to take any of those courses or programs, you can then hire me and my team to work one-on-one. That's designing and delivering bespoke training, or then any digital transformation project or any event that you have, and we can become a temporary member of your team. So there you go. Loads of options from free to working with us one-on-one.
Amazing.